Hi, it's Brett Elliott, medical herbalist and creator of the Ultimate Herbal Detox program. And today I'm offering a 14-day free coaching program which helps to coach you through your own detox program at home. And that comes as a daily email with videos, tips and ideas, recipes, and links to some really good research articles that help inspire you and empower you to follow through and complete your own detox to get a great result at the end of 14 days. The reason we do a coaching program is because it can sometimes be hard to get the motivation and inspiration to really get started and go full on 100% into a detox. And that's because it's changing habits, changing a bit of your diet and sometimes a little bit of lifestyle as well. And making those changes can be a little bit difficult to transition into full detox. So what we do is we provide a lead-in period, which is 5 days of the emails which coach you in and coax you into the full detox process. So it's really an elimination and preparation stage, and that's really helpful to get you started. And then during the 14 days on the herbs, what I do is I share my own process, what I'm doing at home, in the kitchen and around the house, and involving you in my own detox process and sharing the tips and ideas along the way so that you feel like you're not doing the detox on your own, that you've got a companion to work with you through that process. If you've already got your program, then great, you can sign up right now and get started with your preparation. If you haven't got one, you've still got a few days to think about it, and you can still sign up and do the preparation and get yourself ready, but this will inspire you to really get going. So let's do this detox together.